Color the small animals what live in water. Ito next. Dog and puppies. Horse and foal. Duck and ducklings.
Duckling.
Duckling. Hen and chicks. Cat and kittens. Goat and kid. Sheep and lamb. Rabbit and bunny. Cow and
Calf.
calf. Monkey and calf.
Infant.
Infant. Eagle and eaglin.
Eaglet.
Eaglet. Shark in up.
Pup.
Pup. Duckling. Saan daw yung duckling? Eto. Help the baby animals find their mothers. Connect the dots. That's lamb, goat, infant, monkey, sheep, kid, eagle. Itong rami to. Pero kaya ko to. Float.
Foal.
Ha?
Foal.
Fall. Horse. Duck. Duckling. Rabbit. Bunny. Goat. Kid. Chicks. Chicken. Flab.
Calf.
Cow. Wala na yung cat, goat, lion, giraffe, ano to? Kalabaw,
Carabao.
aso, dog, ano to? Deer,
Deer.
ano to? Tiger, horse, crow ba to? Crow, maya, parrot, dove, goose, pig, pigeon, and eagle, owl, insect, mosquito, wasp, ladybug, butterfly, bee, fly, beetle, dragonfly, flying fox,
Flying foxes.
flying foxes, fruit bat, fishes, octopus, lizard, caterpillar, rabbit, shark, jellyfish, snake, spider, frog. Frog ba yan? Parang butiki Sea turtle, ant, earthworm, grasshopper. Dog, dolphin, lion. Ano to kanina? No? Maya, and giraffe, horse. Ano to?
Ano ba yan? Monkey.
Mali.
Ano yan? Gorilla.
Gorilla, fly. Ano yan? Chicken, eagle, caterpillar, butterfly, sea turtle, maya, dragonfly. Huwag yan. Ito na lang. laser sa crow kasi lalakad. Ito lakad din yan. Hop, jump. Hop, jump. Sa hop, jump. Nag-hop yun oh. Nag-jump yun eh. Chicken is the milk. Okay.
Doon na sa
Milk